Alrighty guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. I wanted to do a remix on a video I already have. You guys can find my New Orleans mac and cheese video posted already. But today we're going to do a crawfish macaroni and cheese. It's going to be real simple using 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients only. And we're going to start off by boiling our large macaroni. So my tip is when I boil my macaroni, I make sure that the water is actually boiling before I add the noodles. You see right now it's simmering and has a lot of steam coming from it. But the water isn't actually rolling, so it's not actually boiling. And I do like to add my shrimp nor bouillon cubes to my water. It makes like a shrimp stock for me to boil my noodles in, and it adds a lot of flavor to it because you guys remember making a crawfish macaroni. So that's a nice boil. You see that boil? And now I add my noodles and let them get nice and al dente. Then I strain them, and now it's start on our cheese sauce. So the best thing about this cheese sauce is that I'm not making a roux. I'm just using a heavy whipping cream to thicken it, and then I'm going to thicken the heavy whipping cream with my cheddar. I'm using 1 block of Kraft cheddar cheese. You guys can use whatever cheese you like. I'll use the cheddar cheese because I like that yellow color to my pasta when I make my crawfish macaroni and cheese. I'm going to take some of the water that was used to boil the pasta to the bottom of my pans just to make sure that my heavy whipping cream does not stick. Then I'm going to add my whole thing of heavy whipping cream. You guys see I left little noodles in there. It's not going to hurt anything. It is al dente, so it's going to just cook a little more when I add the heavy whipping cream to it. And I'm already adding the noodles to the heavy whipping cream anyway, so yeah, it's not going to hurt. So I'm just going to add this heavy whipping cream, bring it to a nice boil, and then I'm going to add my cheese. So I just simply cut my cheese up into 4 slices and add them in at once. And then I'm going to constantly stir this until the cheese is completely melted. And I like to add my salt whipped butter. It just tastes good, y'all. And it's easier to like melt on top of the milk and the cheese. So you ain't got to worry about burning everything because the butter took too long to melt. So I just add everything to the pot, cook it down until my heavy whipping cream thickens. And then I add my crawfish. So my crawfish is already cooked. So that's why I add my crawfish last. We don't want to overcook them. And then I season it with my Louisiana shrimp and crab boil. And that's it. Then I add my macaroni to it and mix everything all up until the cheese thickens on top of my noodles. And I serve.